In this video, I want to show you how to automatically color all your tracks in your project. And I've got this little window here, the logical editor. And when I click on apply, the magic happens. All of my drum tracks have been automatically colored now. And I can do the same with the bass tracks. Just change the preset and click on apply. The bass tracks have now been automatically colored. Let's recreate those presets so you get an understanding of how it works. Click on Project and then Project Logical Editor. In the top half, we need to specify the target. In our case, the tracks. We are looking for drum tracks. So for example, if the container type is a track and the name of the track contains snare, we want this track to be edited. In the lower half, we can now decide what happens to the track. We just want to color it, but there are many other options available. I want all drum tracks to be painted blue. Now press apply and witness the magic. As you can see, our snare track was colored blue. Now let's do the same for the other drum tracks. Kick, heads, toms, etc. should also be colored blue. So let's add them in our target list. Click apply and nothing happened? Why? That's because we need to change the Boolean value from and to or, because a track can't be named snare and kick at the same time. So we need to specify the condition. If a channel name is kick or snare or something else, then we want to color it. Let's click apply and it worked. Kind of, because yes, the kick and the snare have been colored now. But what about our heads? We also have a hi-hat and an open hat, and we specified hat in our target condition. Why haven't these tracks been colored? That's because we need to change the condition from equal to contains. Then the filters also apply for track names like hi-hats or open hats, as long as there is hat in the name. When we now click on apply, also our hat tracks will turn blue. Now we only have to save the preset so we can use it later again. If you want to download my presets for drums and bass in order to use or learn from them, just visit the link in the description and download them for free.